All right. Howdy, everybody. So, this video is not going to appear for a year after I'm recording it. And the reason for this is I want to make a prediction. This prediction is that by GDC next year, oh, wrong screen. By GDC next year, Game Developers Conference, that we are, and I tried to look it up here. It says here March 11th through 13th, 2026, but then down here it says mark your calendars for March 16th through 20th. Well, Moscone Center, this is where they usually have it, and it's obviously mixed up. I also want to show that this is right when I'm actually recording it. So I just asked Google for what's the date and time, and it is just about 7 a.m. Saturday, March 22nd, 2025. So now, what I want to talk about is AI and where it's going to be in 2026, and what the main focus of the Game Developers Conference is going to be, aside from video games in general. The AI stuff was already really heavy this year, but there was not a single place that I saw there that had anything about AI used as protection to thwart against botting in your games. And that is going to be the key thing next year. There was not a single booth there or anything talking about how to protect your games with AI. And here's why I say that. Because we've got AI agents that are just now appearing that are really for game development, to run it through as a game tester and everything. But what it's really going to be is that these testing applications, or these agents that people have made, that within a few months, they're going to be available to the masses. And AI is on such an incredible curve that anything you develop right now could be obsolete 2 months later. And that's a real problem for anybody who's, creating tools for AI. So next year, or as you're watching this, because like I said, this video is not going to appear for a year after I record it, is that my prediction is we are going to be seeing a massive number of companies that are using AI to help you protect against AI. And so I'm very concerned about this, because MMOs, first-person shooters, and a lot of that stuff require to be fun for the player, require that they're not full of bots. And so what's going to happen with that? Well, we're going to see a bunch of companies come out with stuff that is to try and protect against AI bots, because they're going to be the masses. Like literally 2 months after recording this, you're going to be able to get one through OpenAI for $20, and you're going to be able to just talk to it, and it'll do what you want it to. So the problem here is that these companies are going to only have limited success. And why is that? Because there's going to be many more people out there creating bots than there are companies working to defend against them. And so the curve will always be that the people creating them is going to be higher on the curve than the defenders. So you're only going to be able to defend against older stuff. So what's going to happen? Here's what's going to happen. And that is that the game companies are going to embrace this use, work it in, and figure it out, so that if people are doing this, it becomes a normal part of gameplay, and it's a cohabitation with it. It's not fighting it. and it's not fully embracing with it, but it's allowing it. And I really think that the games that are successful, this is exactly what they're going to do, because if you can't beat them, you join them. And that's what's going to happen. Now, I don't know exactly what form that's going to take, how that's going to look, but I really think that that's the only successful way to think about how to combat this issue. So, am I right? Am I wrong? You let me know in the comments, and we shall find out when this video is published. Market Dragon, take care.